VHR top mount single turbo kit. You guys are all familiar with it if you saw it at Z-Days. Wanted to give you guys an update. So the manual transmission version obviously is complete. We're working on the G37 at the moment. Next up will be automatic transmission. We've reached out to a couple of people to see if they would be interested in offering their vehicle in regards to using it to make sure that the crossover pipe for the automatic transmission will clear for our turbo kit. So if you're still interested and we haven't contacted you, please give us a shout or shoot us a DM, give us a call, and we kind of work out a deal in regards to getting that turbo kit on your vehicle and being able to use it to make sure the automatic kit is where it needs to be and everything fits. So you can see here, like I was saying previously, nothing's really changed. The bigger turbo for the Stage 2, you can see here, is very similar to how it was in the Stage 1. One thing I didn't touch base about was the HR guys. We always get asked, hey, are you guys going to build a top mount kit for the HR? We will. We just have to make sure that we get the 370, the manual, the G37, the automatic figured out, and then we'll jump into HR and the all-wheel drive guys too as well. We want to take it one step at a time and make sure that we don't kind of jump the gun and say, yeah, we can do it, and then there's some changes that need to be done for it. We're going to put some E85 in this and see what kind of power we can put down. As of right now, it's way too hot here in the south. I mean, we're doing almost 95 degrees every day, which is close to 100 degrees in the dyno, so that's never good for horsepower. But once it cools off, we'll get the car back on the dyno and see what kind of powers we can do with the 85, and then kind of go from there. But if you guys are interested in a top mount kit and you're looking for the 500 to 550 or so as far as horsepower range, then this is the way to go. We'll have another video later on that kind of describes some misconceptions or some ideas of people thinking that, hey, you have to build a motor to do over 500 wheel. In theory, you don't, but that's a whole other video. We'll talk about that next time in the next video that we do.